Welcome to the fourth episode of Olsa Tools Grease and Gears. First off, let's talk about the chaos. Imagine you're knee-deep in a job, engine parts spread out like a puzzle waiting to be solved. You reach for a socket, and what do you find? Sockets mixed up like a jigsaw puzzle, missing its pieces. You spend more time rummaging through the mess than actually getting the job done. It's frustrating, to say the least. Stop wasting time looking for that socket. Transform your socket drawer with these aluminum rails to save you time and easily organize all of your sockets. Works with impact and chrome sockets. The difference between these socket organizer rails is that these have ABS locking end caps to prevent slippage when hanging your new rails vertically on your pegboards. You asked, and we listened. Our other bestseller has all the same great features, except it features a rubber end cap, which makes it a bit easier to customize the clips. 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch. You can get it individually in sets of 3 pieces with different drive size clips, sets of 3 pieces of the same drive size, sets of 6 pieces of 3 different drive size clips, and 6-piece sets of the same drive size. The one with rubber end caps is available in multiple colors such as black, blue, green, orange, purple, red, and yellow, while the one with plastic locking end caps is available in black, blue, and red. You can use the holes in both sides to attach it to a pegboard with the help of a screw. Or you can just place it inside your toolbox. It will save space and time when you're looking for a socket. If you are going to place it sideways, you can add more socket clips, alternating the position of them to organize more of the wider sockets in one rail. One way to customize it is by replacing your black socket clips for the green ones. If you make a good combo with your rail, it will definitely look amazing. Once you get the green socket clips, you can also alternate one black and one green clip to create a pattern. You can choose a color of the rail organizer with rubber end caps and a bag with plastic locking end caps. Then you can have the color that best matches your toolbox with the ultimate end caps design. If you go for the empty rail, you gotta know it's fully customizable. All 4 DERV sizes socket clips can fit in it. You can use it for orphan sockets or for just one drive size set. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that your sockets will be held securely in place. The socket clips on these rails are built with spring-loaded ball bearings to hold your sockets firmly and securely. When inserting impact sockets, you can either lock them with the spring ball or place the sockets whole to a side so you can take them out in an easier and faster way. Time is money in the mechanic world, my friend. Every minute spent searching for the right socket is a minute lost on the clock. That's why organization isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. A proper organizer saves you from the headache of hunting down that elusive 10mm socket for the umpteenth time. It's like having your tools lined up in formation, ready to tackle any job that comes your way. So, next time you see a mechanic meticulously arranging their sockets in a neat row, give them a nod of appreciation. They're not just being OCD, they're setting themselves up for success. Because in the world of wrenches and ratchets, a little organization goes a long way. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment, share this video with someone with a messy toolbox drawer, and subscribe to our channel. Keep it greasy.